Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common goal for many of us: how to flatten that belly quickly. Whether it's for a special event, a beach vacation, or just to feel more confident, we've got you covered. But before we dive into our tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to support our content. If you've got questions or your own belly flattening experiences, drop them in the comments below. Let's get started. 1. Hydration and detox. First things first, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day not only keeps you hydrated but also helps flush out excess salt and toxins that can cause bloating. Adding a slice of lemon to your water can provide an extra boost. It's not only refreshing but can also kickstart your metabolism and aid in digestion. 2. Mindful eating. When it comes to eating, it's not just what you eat but how you eat that matters. Pay attention to your portions and try to eat mindfully. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. Eating slowly not only helps you fully enjoy your meal but also allows your brain to recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. 3. Reduce sodium intake. High sodium levels can lead to water retention, giving you that puffy look and making your belly feel bloated. To combat this, limit your sodium intake by avoiding processed foods, restaurant meals, and excessive salt in your cooking. Instead, opt for herbs, spices, and salt-free seasoning to flavor your food. 4. Incorporate fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and reducing belly bloat. Load up on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains as they are rich in fiber. Fiber helps regulate your digestive system, preventing constipation and that uncomfortable feeling of a stuffed belly. 5. Cut back on sugary drinks. Liquid calories can quickly add up, and sugary drinks can contribute to belly fat. Swap out sugary beverages for healthier options like water, herbal tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon. These choices not only reduce your calorie intake but also keep you better hydrated. 6. HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a fantastic way to torch calories and shed that extra layer around your midsection. These short, intense workouts can be incredibly effective in increasing your metabolism and helping you burn fat, including that stubborn belly fat. 7. Core strengthening exercises. Don't neglect your core. Incorporate targeted core exercises like planks, bicycle crunches, leg raises, and Russian twists into your routine. Strengthening your core muscles not only helps tighten your midsection but also improves posture and overall stability. 8. Quality sleep. Sleep is often underestimated in weight management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. When you're well rested, your body functions optimally, supporting your metabolism and helping you maintain a healthy weight. 9. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to the accumulation of belly fat. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Managing stress not only benefits your waistline but also your overall well-being. 10. Be consistent. Lastly, remember that consistency is key. While quick fixes may provide temporary results, lasting change comes from sustainable habits. Make these tips a part of your lifestyle, and over time, you'll notice not only a flatter belly but also improved health and well-being. By incorporating these detailed strategies into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving a flatter belly quickly and maintaining your progress over the long term. Conclusion. In conclusion, flattening your belly quickly is achievable with the right strategies and a bit of dedication. Remember that it's not just about appearance, it's about feeling your best and promoting overall health. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Share your progress, questions, or tips for a flatter belly in the comments. Your insights can inspire others on their journey to a healthier lifestyle. If you want to learn more about how I went from size 12 to 6 in just 3 months, please watch the video displayed on the screen now. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in our next video.